Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to finally give you guys a review as well as tips and tricks on how I put my ZALA hair extensions in. And yeah, I've had these for about 2 months now and I've been really wanting to share a video with you guys about how I like them and how I style them and how I blend them in with my hair. So I'm just gonna jump right into it. The kind that I have is a 16-inch double drawn and triple wefted clip-in hair extensions in the color Honey Beach Blonde Highlights. Yeah, so I could link in the description the exact extensions I have in case your hair color is similar to mine. But don't mind the mess in the back. I'm packing and it's getting crazy. All right, so to start off with, I just blow dried my hair. So my set comes with 5 pieces, like I said before, and they're already pre-curled. I curled them like a month ago with a curling iron, or my friend Lily did, and they've just stayed like that. I do have to curl my hair, and when I curl my hair, I use a hair straightener. My hair is still a little bit damp, so hopefully this works out okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab the 2-piece weft, and I'm gonna put my hair up, leaving only a little bit of space on the bottom. This is easiest when you have like fresh washed hair. So I left like much on the bottom. So you grab the 2-piece first and you put it around and you put it there on the bottom. We've gotten extensions before. These are kind of the self-explanatory tips, and it matches with my hair perfectly. I screamed when I got it because I was like, I don't know if I'll have to return it, but I didn't have to, thank God. So yeah, I like putting these in when I'm going out and doing something. I'm gonna meet up with my friend and we're gonna grab dinner. I don't know, I kind of think of my hair extensions as more of an accessory because you kind of could just use it anytime you want to like dress yourself up, and I don't know, it's just fun because my hair is like so damaged that it like hardly ever grows. So yeah, I like to mix it up a little bit. Now I'm putting some more pieces down and I'm gonna clip in the next piece. So the next piece I put in is the 3-clip piece. And I'm just gonna do the same process, unclip them, kind of brush it out a little bit with your fingers. I don't like to use my wet brush that I use for my regular hair just because I don't want to damage it. I need to invest in a hair extension brush because I know that those work really well. After you've kind of done it multiple times, you start getting the hang of it. Took me multiple tries. I don't even know if I'll have to curl my hair because it's kind of matching with it right now. We'll see. So next I'm going to do I'm doing this fast so some clips might be sticking out. And then you can kind of just brush your normal hair. This is the hard part. I'm gonna come in with the biggest clip. Since I have thin hair, I only got the 5-piece, but you could also get a 9-piece, but I don't have thick enough hair for all of my hair to cover that, so. All right, so I'm gonna come in with the hardest part now, which is the 5-clip extensions. This is the biggest set. So I'm gonna kind of just lay it on like the crown of my head. And I have a small head, so this can be tricky. But unclip, all of them. I'm doing this super fast, so I'm gonna have to probably redo it before I go out. I just wanted to show you guys like the basic tutorial. You kind of just clip that on top of your other extensions. And then pull out your hair. Yeah, I might not even have to curl my hair. There's a mirror right there, so that's why I keep looking over there. So this is what it looks like when I have the bigger pieces in, and then you get 2 side clips that you just put on the side of your hair. I'm gonna put one under here. These are really easy to blend because it's just a 1 clip. So 1, and then 1 on the other side, of course. This helps blend in the front, top parts of your hair. And 1 there. Okay, so as you can see, a few of my little short pieces of hair is sticking out, like right here. And I never wear these straight just because it's so hard to blend your hair if you have like shorter hair like me and leave it straight. So with these pieces, I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my hair straightener and I'm gonna curl it like so. So that way it blends in more with the other pieces. See, that looks much better. And then a few of my front pieces. This makes your hair more like voluminous too, making it easier for clips not to stick out. It's okay if like the front pieces look shorter because that's just like, it looks like layers. So just for comparison, this is what it looks like when I'm standing up. I took the 5-piece out just because my hair's so thin that sometimes I don't think I need that big one. So I only have 4 clips in right now out of the 5. So this is what it looks like when I'm standing up. It goes down to about here and I'm 5 feet, so they are longer than I expected, but I like them. Okay, so that was a really quick tutorial, on my ZALA hair extensions, but yeah, once you start getting the trick of how to put them in, then it starts getting much easier. I haven't washed them yet and I've worn them probably 4 or 5 times and they're still holding up really nice. So that's what it looks like. I'm so obsessed with them. Like I said, these are my first pair of extensions and I would highly recommend, and they oftentimes have little discounts to get like $10 off or something. Came in this cute little package and it came with a little bag full of shampoo and conditioner and hair treatment. So it came with a lot of things to help you with cleaning them and everything like that. I love it, and that was just a quick little video and my tips and tricks on how to blend and style your hair extensions. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video, which will definitely be a travel video because I'll be in Europe the next time I see you guys. Bye guys!